Hello everyone. If you are using Realme 5 Pro device, then there is a good news for you. Now you can download the C.04 update, which has been recently released by Realme. To download the update, you have to go to settings and then go to software update, and here you get the notification for the download. Remember that the size of this update is 459 MB, as with this update you are going to get two brand new Realme apps along with a few good features with this update. So unlike the previous updates, this update is really significant and important, so you must download. And after this update, you should also know what are the features which has been updated. So if I go to the features, you can see that in the update log they have mentioned that with this update you are going to get Android security patch update for the month of June 2020. Along with that, there are two applications which has been given with you this update, that is a Realme Paisa and Realme Link. Along with that, the battery charging animation has been given with this update, and you can also see the decimal display on the lock screen while charging. Say if your phone is charging, so unlike earlier it was showing 90%, so this time now you can get 90.18, 90.19, so you can get the accurate value of your charging. Along with that, there are some settings which has been modified, and along with the bug fixes, some of the app has been optimized also. So in this video I'm going to explain you what are the features we are going to get and what are the these two new Realme apps is all about, how you can use this app. So let's start this video. Before this, I'm a new YouTuber, so I request you to please subscribe our channel to give us your support, and please like and share our video as well. So let's start the video.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Okay, so first thing which you are going to get this update is, if you go to phone, about phone, here if I click on the Android 10, so you can see that now my phone is updated with June 2020 Android security patch update, and this update is mandatory for the Android phone for the security point of view, as you can protect your data, your phone from the malware, from the virus, etc. Now coming to the next feature, while screen recording, now there are some feature has been added that now this you can see there are very small the size of this screen recording icon has been reduced and it has been more refined. The third feature which you're going to get is, while charging the phone, now it will show you some kind of animation. Along with that, it will also show you decimal value. Earlier there was only integer value like whole number, so 1%, 2%, no, 1.5, 1.6%, like that number will get displayed, so you can get the accurate value with this. Now talking about the new Realme apps, so if I click Realme here, you can see the two apps has been added with this update. First one is Realme Link, and second one is Realme Paisa. So the first one, when I click on this, you can see now the Realme is also planning to make their own ecosystem where you can use the various kind of Realme device such as smartphone, Realme Band, Realme Buds. So now with this app you can control all the IoT devices with this. So if you have a Realme Band, Realme Buds along with the Realme smartphone, then this app is useful. But if you have only a smartphone, then this app is not useful for you. So here you can see the add button. You can add the various Realme devices and you can control those devices using this app. Now talking about the other app which has been added here, that is Realme Paisa. So basically as you can see, the tagline of this app is जब जेब में पैसा तो टेंशन कैसा. So this app actually it claims that it gives you the more security as well as the data privacy. Along with that, now this app is in the beta version, so you will get the free credit score for that. For that, actually we need to pay about 500 rupees. But now with this app, you can get it with the free of cost. Along with that, you can also get the business loans, personal loans, mobile screen insurance, and there are more features which are going to get added in the coming days. So with this and they claim, this app claims that it gives you the high security with no compromise of your personal data. So these are two apps which has been given with this update. So I hope this video is useful for you. I again request you to please subscribe our channel by giving your immense support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.